To dry tobacco leaves, also known as curing the leaves. First, pick the leaves off of your tobacco plant by hand. Cut a thin slit through the center of the stem on each leaf using a utility knife. Then, thread a string through the slits. Spread the leaves out so they're at least 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters apart to give them plenty of space to dry. Hang the leaves somewhere dry and warm, like a garage or attic. Set up a dehumidifier if you don't have a dry spot to store the leaves in, so they dry faster and don't develop mold. It should take about 4 to 8 weeks for the leaves to dry out entirely, but it may take longer depending on the variety of tobacco and your climate. Monitor the leaves periodically to make sure they don't turn moldy, and remove any leaves that do. You'll know they're ready for use when they've turned dark brown and the edges of each leaf are curled. Remove the leaves and tear them off of the stems before storing or using your tobacco.